out, watch out, watch out, watch out. You're gonna bite your ear off, dude. Hey! That was so close. That was. So since I slept at 1:30, I woke up at 11, posted my vlog on Facebook. What I always do on Saturdays and Sundays is, well, I do it every day, but especially on Saturday and Sundays, I watch other people's vlogs that I like. Other people that I will tell you in another vlog. Now I'm going downstairs. The house is empty. It feels so weird. No music, no screaming moms, no cleaning your room type of bullshit. Paco came here yesterday, and Django and Paco are not, you know, good friends. And so Django wants to go on top of the cage where Paco is in the cage, and Paco could easily just grab Django's foot or tail and bite it off, you know. And sometimes I want that because I want Django to see that that is Paco's territory. Stay on your lanes. Stay on your lanes. Reminds me of a song.
When I switch lanes, tell them doors swing. Arm out the window screaming money in the thing. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Robbie switch lanes, diamonds in my chain. Then I run.
Now I'm about to make some coffee. Being alone. It's me, Paco, and Django. The Three Musketeers. Is it Three Musketeers in English? In Dutch, it's the Drie Musketeers. 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 The Three Musketeers. And there is Paco. Hi, Poopy. Oh, hey. Ooh. Woo. What the fuck are you doing? Watch out, Django! Django, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. You're gonna bite your ear off, dude. Hey! That was so close. That was so close. Oh my god. My heart almost fell off. Kijk naar uit, joh! Sukkel. Punani. That was actually fun. Watching them like fight. You see? He looks at the tail. You see? Boom. He wants the tail. And then Paco comes down there. And then what the hell are you jumping for? You see? Django comes on the other side. And then wow! Almost his finger. Oh my god. Hey, watch out your ear, dude! The fuck? Okay, I guess playtime is over. He's swinging on his shit. And he's on the stairs. That means I can drink my coffee now. My brother came here and he always acts like he's not interested in my vlogs, but then now I hear like my own voice. You guys each other back, you know? So I'm happy to see my mom going happily to Tunisia. So, and now I need to go back. Gonna eat breakfast at McDonald's. So here's my brother. He's been watching today's vlog, and as soon as the part came where I told you guys how to get soft hands, he looked at me like, yeah, you're lying. Let's show him. And be honest, he didn't trust me. Put this in your hand.
Yeah,
How do they feel?
Whoa. Whoa.
I wasn't lying.
It's really soft.
I wasn't lying, bitches.
Yeah.
So I'm going eat dinner outside in a Italian restaurant with my brother and my dad, and tonight I'm going with Neil to the hip hop R&B trap party, and so that will be fun. It's just like, I don't know how to take my camera with me, but I'll see how I do that. Maybe I'll just keep it in my pocket. I have no idea yet. So it's only me and Neil, but when we arrive there, I have a few friends that also go there. So
Look back to when midnights broke their sleep, awaken our memories of when we would make believe collide.
we're about to go now to the club. See you guys later. I hope I can vlog. I don't know where to put my camera exactly, because I'm gonna dance, and if I put it in my pocket it will fall down. So yeah. On our way.
Colors of the masquerade, watch as they fall away.
So we are just done partying. I didn't really film me dancing because the music sucked a bit, but it's okay, we're here in open space. So we're about to go home. It's 4 o'clock and we had fun. We really got hungry. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We just ate McDonald's, which is bad. I mean, it was good, but it's bad. I still need to edit this vlog, so I don't know how much sleep I'm gonna get, because I need to upload it also. And 10 o'clock in the morning I'm gonna see Nick, one of my good friends that also started vlogging. He needs my help for a video he's doing, so that's gonna be 10 o'clock. 3 o'clock I'm gonna play basketball with Gino, Teddy, Tabitha, Teddy's girlfriend, and Teddy's brothers and sisters. So it's gonna be not only throwing ball, you know, it's gonna be like a group thing. Then I'm gonna bowl with my dad, and that will be tomorrow's plan. And I don't know why I tell you that in this vlog instead of telling you in tomorrow's vlog. Fuck. Okay, I need to go. Ciao. There she goes. Saying goodbye also is hard for me as a person, because you never know when you see each other back, you know?